In this video I'll be explaining the basics of the engine company. The engine company is in charge of getting water on the fire. So right now we've got a car fire going on. I'm going to walk you through the supply line, which will get you water to the engine when hooking up to a hydrant. The quick attack line, which is useful for situations like these where you have a fire that's you could probably knock down pretty quickly. And then the different types of links and hoses you have on the rear of the engine. So first things we want to do is connect to the hydrant. When connecting to the hydrant, you have two options. There's a side supply line, which is down here. Now you can press T to deploy that and connect it to the hydrant. You also have a front supply line. Works the same way. You use T to deploy it, and you can connect it to the hydrant as well. They both are the same and are just different color coded. Once you're connected to the hydrant, you want to go to the back left compartment of the engine. Use the radial menu to pick up the hydrant tool. With the hydrant tool, you can open the hydrant and allow water to start flowing into the engine. You'll notice that the hose now inflates, and if we go check the pump, we have a positive green inlet connection to a hydrant. The next step is the quick attack line. To use the quick attack line, go to the front bumper and press Q when it indicates with the UI. The quick attack line is pretty much a pre-connected length of hose, which allows you to get water on a fire really quickly. Once you have the quick attack line in your hand, use the radial menu, which is left control, to start pumping the quick attack line. Now with this we could put water on the fire, but for the video purpose I'm going to show you guys also how to stretch lengths of hose. Use the radial menu, or you can press T to pull an attack line, R to pull a relay line, and you can press F to return all the hoses. So this is me pressing T. You can see if I walk further away, it'll stretch another length of hose. For the purpose of this though, if we have a fire on the top floor, we can stretch 6 lengths right away, have all those lengths come out. Once you have all the lengths pulled, you can simply press E, which is the key to pick up and drop couplings. Couplings are the ends of the hoses. If I press E, it'll connect it to the nearest coupling or the nearest hose connection. From there we can grab the nozzle, which is in the driver's side front compartment, and as long as we have our hose connected to a connection on the rig, either the rear, the pump, the front, or the right side of the truck, we can start pumping water at the pump with the radial menu. You'll notice that the end of the hose has leaking water. We can pick that up, equip our nozzle, and we've got a ton of slack of hose ready to go to put this car fire out. To start spraying water, hold the right mouse button and the left mouse button. Right mouse button is to aim and the left mouse button is to shoot. You're able to aim in whatever direction you please, and you simply just put water on the fire until the fire is extinguished. And those are the basics of the engine company.